Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today we are checking out an accessory for your MetaQuest 2 headset. These are the VR weight controllers or VR dumbbells for your Quest 2 made by Kiwi Design. They retail for $49 Canadian on their website. They're on sale right now for $39. You can also use my promo code Brian Sloan, all capital letters, for an extra 5% off. In this one we're going to unbox them. I will show you how to assemble them, and then I will use them and give you my review of them here in the end. If you haven't checked out all my other VR accessory reviews, I encourage you to do so. I'll link that playlist in the description below. Let's jump into this one. Okay, let's open these up. Okay, so we have a nice travel bag here. We have the weight component actually all put together there, and then inside of here we have some plastic discs, and I'll explain what those are for in just a minute. So reading through the instructions, assembly seems pretty easy here. So you can take off the silicone cover to start. This is going to unscrew, come off. You're going to have a top piece here, and then you're going to have a bottom piece, and this bottom piece is going to have some of these discs. So each of these discs weighs 50 grams for a total of 150 grams or 0.33 pounds that you can add to each of the controllers. Yeah, so let's take these both apart here. I'll show you how to assemble them, then we'll talk a bit more about them as well. Okay, so to assemble this, all we need to do is take this inside cup piece, and this is going to fit inside of the controller, just like that. You see how easily that went in right there? That is now facing up. You can now take the top, place this in the top with the little open piece. You can see there's a little piece that's open there, facing towards the top. That'll have a clip right in there. And then here's where you're going to add the amount of weight that you want. If you want to add all three, you'll put all three in. If you just want to add 50 grams per se, then you can add 2 of these spacers in to fill in where those other ones would be. Okay, then we can put this other piece in here, screw that in, and that's going to secure it into place. Now the old version was just like this. They've upgraded with this silicone cover, and you're just going to simply place that around and make it so it is going all the way around there, and then you're good to go. We got that nice cover on there, and that's as simple as that. So let's quickly do that here with our other one as well. Okay, there we go. We got the weights added to both of these. I showed you how to put them both in and what these are for. I'm going to use them a little bit here, and I'll see what they are like. But before I get to that, I actually want to show you if they fit with controller grip covers. So I'm going to quickly put on some controller grip covers on these, and then we'll see how they fit. Okay, so you can see here I have the Kiwi Design grip cover on it now. Let's just see how this all fits and see if it goes in just the same. Yeah, it actually has these notches here there, so that grip cover piece can fit right over top of it. There we go. So yeah, it is actually made to have a grip cover right there. Now, a grip cover that covers the whole halo strap might be a slightly different story. I can't tell if that would fit for sure or not, as these ones don't cover the whole halo strap. They're just going up over the front of the controller here. But you can see that Kiwi has programmed this to be for this type of strap as well. So now you got extra security when you're using something like this. Instead of just having the wrist strap, you'll have your hand strap as well with this extra weight. And now pretty much the whole controller is covered except for a little bit of the face here and your triggers there in the front and the side. All right, so now I will test this out and then I will come back and give you my review. All right, I've had a chance to use these a little bit. Now I wanted to give you my review of them and just talk a bit more about them. So in terms of design, I think they really nailed the idea of adding some extra weight to it, because all it does is add a little bit of extra space on the top, and that's it. There's no extra things hanging off of it. They're not big handle attachments, nothing like that. It's nice and smooth and sleek. It really goes with the controller. I'm impressed with how they've done this with this Quest 2 controller here. With the Quest 3 or Quest Pro controller, I'm not quite sure how it would work, but they did a fantastic job here. And as I was reading about it a little bit as well, they didn't always have this silicone cover here as well to protect it. I like that they added that in there. It's a really nice touch. It kind of actually makes everything go together as well. Here it is without the grip cover. Here it is with grip covers, and as I mentioned when I was putting them together, it is made to have these grip covers on there. There is a space there that allows this part to fold over, and so it's made for the Kiwi design grip covers. Other grip covers might possibly work as well, but I can't guarantee that. Is it enough weight? It is enough weight to make a difference when you're doing a lot of reps at different games. I know 50 gram weight disbursement isn't a whole lot, but I do like that it is adjustable, that it's not just all or nothing. You can change it in 50 gram increments, or have nothing at all, which is just 5 grams. I don't know if you just want 5 grams extra, but if you wanted a little protection on top, I guess that would be something to do it. Tracking issues, I didn't find any tracking issues. This is a transparent cover here. It is clear, well, pretty much clear, and so I didn't have any tracking issues when that was going on. Price point, we're looking at $49 Canadian. It's on sale for $39 Canadian at this point. If you use my 5% discount code Brian Sloan, all capital letters, you can get an extra 5% off, so it'd be a little bit less than that as well. If you're looking for something to up your fitness game, if you're really into fitness in VR, this is something definitely worth checking out if you have a Quest 2. I think it can really enhance your fitness apps or your fitness routine, whatever you have going on, and it can be something that definitely is worthwhile for you to check out. If you have any questions about them specifically, feel free to ask them in the comments below or send me a message. I'm more than happy to answer them. If you haven't checked out all my other VR accessory reviews, especially those from Kiwi Design, I encourage you to do so. I'll link those playlists below in the description as well. Thank you for watching this one. We'll see you next time here on Brian Sloan Artist.